Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to be trying out another Believe Beauty makeup product, which is the makeup brand that you can only get at Dollar General, and seriously one of my favorite makeup brands. Everything is under $5, but such premium quality. I have tried out a lot of Believe Beauty on my channel over the past year because I only really discovered Dollar General over the past year, and I did a huge makeup haul when I went to my first ever Dollar General, and I'll have that haul video linked in the description down below if you want to see it. But then I became obsessed with Dollar General and they opened a brand new one down the street from me, and I was just like, dreams come true. Just kidding, but I am so into Dollar General, and it makes it even better that they make amazing makeup. And so I have tried out other Believe Beauty mascaras that are incredible, and so I'm really excited about this one here, the Extended Lash Lengthening Mascara. Instant length in just one coat. Extreme lengths, lengthen, lift, and separate lashes without clumping. And so I accidentally picked this up in the shade brown. When I was doing that huge makeup haul, I was just going crazy grabbing so many different things and not paying attention to the shade. I think this does also come in black, but I realized I like brown mascara. I mean, my coloring is light. Right now I'm not wearing any mascara and it looks like I don't even have lashes. My natural lashes are so light. And so I never really tried out brown mascara until I accidentally bought some at Dollar General, and I'm glad that I did because I think brown mascara is really pretty. Ooh, what I also think is really pretty is this packaging. I love the shape of it and the, of course, shiny gold. It seems like a luxury mascara. Now let's check out the applicator. Oh yes, this is what I really like in mascara applicators as well. So it's like the plastic, kind of silicone, little spike applicator rather than like long or winding brush-like bristles. I really like this type of applicator, so I'm excited to see that. Here you can see what that applicator looks like. It's kind of flat on the front and the back, which is actually good for lifting the lashes and pressing them upwards. So I'm going to start out applying it to just one of the eyes, and then we can compare the difference. But this is what I love about these applicators, is that it feels just like combing through my lashes. It evenly coats every lash, and if I didn't know that this was a brown mascara, I don't think I'd even be able to tell because it's pretty dark brown. So just one coat looks so good. The lashes are separated. Not super volumized or lengthened yet, but that's really impressive actually for just one coat. I'm definitely going to layer it up, but I'm going to try this out on the lower lash line. I wasn't sure how easy it'd be to use this wand and see if I get mascara all over my under eye, but so far I'm not. It's actually coating those lashes, and I do really like a brown mascara on the lower lash line because I'm not too big into like an intense black mascara on the lower lashes or black eyeliner on the lower lash line, so I like to keep it lighter on the lower lash line, so I think a brown mascara like this is perfect. And this is actually not messy at all on the under eye, and it's getting all the lashes. That looks really good. Now I'm going to try and layer up these top lashes. It's adding some volume. This didn't really claim to be volumizing, more lengthening and lifting, but it does add volume. I'm going to tap at the ends using the flat side of the brush to add some more length, and it does look good. It evenly applies the mascara from base to tip, So I think that really helps with the lengthening, but really what I think is the best quality about this mascara is how separating it is. So it makes the lashes look really full, and that's something that I really like in a mascara. No clumping, but it just looks like I have so many lashes. And it does seem to be pretty curling as well. I'm gonna just press with the flat side of the wand against the lashes to help curl them. And that does a really good job. I didn't use a lash curler, and I have very naturally straight lashes, which I don't like, but this is actually adding curl to those lashes. Oh, I'm loving how my lashes look. This wand is awesome. Like, these look like false lashes. Look at that. What a dramatic difference in my eyes. Like, it seriously looks like I applied a strip lash to this eye compared to that eye. Like, that is amazing. It looks so glam. It really doesn't look brown. Like, I think I could ask anyone, what color mascara am I wearing? And everyone would say it's a black mascara. All right, let's go ahead and apply to the other eye and make sure I love this as much as I think I do. I think this would also be a great mascara to apply on top of maybe a thicker, more volumizing mascara because of this wand that just combs through the lashes and separates them and makes them look so full and fanned out, because I love to layer up mascaras. And I really think it only takes 2 coats to get that perfect looking mascara. I will say maybe like I'm trying to press the lashes up to curl them, and I did that on this eye already, and I feel like they kind of just fell down, but that's what happens with every mascara, so that's why I need to use a lash curler every day. But I just am not seeing the curling effect that I would like to see, but I don't even know a mascara that actually really does curl my lashes. So if you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments down below. I could just get a lash lift probably, but I don't know if I want to go through that. Or try a heated lash curler. I've never tried that, but that'd be fun to try. But my lashes look so good. They look so full, fanned out. I love this mascara. And I think I forgot to mention that it only cost $4.50. And I almost didn't get any mascara on my eyelid, but I got a little bit here at the front. This is seriously where I get mascara on my eyelid every single day. But ooh, it just wipes off very easily. So I love this mascara. I highly recommend it. Only $4.50, and I think this is up there with those expensive premium luxury mascaras as far as how amazing my lashes look. I'm so happy right now. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.